Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Gayan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make simple butter cake. Preheat your oven to 160 Celsius. We need 250 grams caster sugar, 250 grams soft butter, 20 grams vanilla essence, 5 number of eggs, 5 grams baking powder, 250 grams all-purpose flour. First beat butter at medium speed with an electric mixer until creamy. Gradually add sugar, beating at medium speed until light and fluffy. Stir in vanilla, with eggs, and mix well. Add eggs mixture one at a time, beating just until blended after each addition. Sift together flour, baking powder, add to butter mixture alternately with half and half. Beating until mix all well. Pour into a greased and floured tray or cake baking bowl. Bake at 160 Celsius for 1 hour and 10 minutes, or until a long wooden pick inserted in center of cake comes out clean. If you took something from this video, please like, comments, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet soon with next video.